To buy fractional shares on Fidelity, start by logging into your Fidelity account online or through the mobile app. If you do not have a Fidelity account, you will need to create one by providing some basic information such as your name, address, and social security number. Once you have logged in, navigate to the trade section of the website or app. Next, enter the ticker symbol of the stock you want to buy in the search bar and select the correct stock. From the search results, on the stock's detail page, you will see a button that says Buy or Trade. Click on this button to begin the buying process. Now, select the account you want to use to buy the stock, such as your brokerage account or IRA. Choose the order type, which in this case will be a market order, and select the share type as fractional shares. In the quantity field, enter the dollar amount you want to invest in the stock, rather than the number of shares. For example, if you want to invest $100 in Apple stock, you would enter 100 in the quantity field. Fidelity will then calculate the corresponding fraction of a share based on the current market price. Review your order to make sure everything is correct, including the stock symbol, order type, and dollar amount. If everything looks good, submit your order. Your fractional shares will be added to your account immediately, and you can view them in your portfolio. It is worth noting that Fidelity allows you to buy fractional shares of stocks with a minimum investment of just $1, making it more accessible to invest in the stock market. Additionally, Fidelity does not charge any commissions or fees for buying or selling fractional shares, making it a cost-effective way to invest. By following these steps, you can easily buy fractional shares on Fidelity and start building your investment portfolio. Remember to always do your research and consider your investment goals and risk tolerance before making any investment decisions.